Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube shorts from your already uploaded YouTube videos. This is a very easy trick, but many people still don't know about it. It's also a great marketing strategy because you can turn your old videos into new shorts and get more views, reach, and subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your YouTube app. Then, click on your profile icon. Go to your videos. Here you will see all the videos you uploaded before. Now open the video that you want to convert into a short. Click on the three dots, ellipsis, in the top right corner. Then, click on Remix, select Edit into a short. Now the short editor will open. Here you can customize the timing. By default, it will be 15 seconds. You can extend it to 60 seconds. Now drag the timeline and select the part of the video you want to turn into a short. You can also adjust the video frame. This means you can choose how the video appears on the screen and position it properly. Once everything looks good, click Done. The processing will begin. After processing, you will get more editing options such as change speed, add text, add music, use filters, and many more tools. Use them however you like. When finished, click Next. Now give your short video a good title. A better title can help you get more reach and views. Then, click Upload Short or Publish. Wait a few moments until the upload is complete. Once the upload is finished, your short video will be published on YouTube. That's how you can easily create new YouTube shorts from your previously uploaded videos. This is a smart strategy because you can reuse your old content and turn it into fresh shorts to reach a bigger audience. If you want to grow faster on YouTube, this feature can be very helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment below, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.